Okay, so this is circular motion, and you have two race cars, A and B, and you're looking for the velocity of B with respect to A, as well as the acceleration of B with respect to A. And you know the velocity of A is 20 meters per second. It was speeding up to by 3 3 meters per second squared. I don't know why I keep doing that shit. And B has a velocity of 30 meters per second, but it's slowing down by 4 meters per second squared. You know R is 250 meters. So to find the velocity of A, you do 20 cosine 60 x hat plus 20 sine 60 y hat, which is 20 comes from the velocity, obviously, and that gives you 10 x hat plus 17.32 y hat, and that's the velocity of A. The velocity of B, you do 30, this velocity times the cosine of 30 of both x and y, and then minus the sine 30 sine 30 y hat, and that gives you 26 x hat minus 15 y hat. And I feel like my thing ain't focusing too well. Anyway, to find the velocity of B with respect to A is VB minus VA, and then combine, you got the x's, which is 26 x hat minus 10 x hat plus negative 15 y hat plus 17.32 y hat, which gives you 16 x hat minus 32.2 y hat, and that's the velocity of B with respect to A. Now, in order to find the acceleration, I drew two little graphs of what was going on with A and B. A accelerating in a straight path, and B has this is the tangential acceleration, and this is the normal acceleration. And to get that, I used the formula A equals V squared over R, which is 30 squared over 250. It gives you 3.6. And you got that. You come over here to find the acceleration of A. You know the acceleration is 3, so it's 3 cosine 60 x hat plus 3 sine 60 y hat, and that gives you 1.5 x hat minus 2.6 y hat. And I really don't know why my damn thing is so blurry. But anyway, you get A, that's for A, the acceleration of just A. The acceleration of B is 3.6, which you just found down there. Cosine 60 x hat plus 36 sine 60 y hat minus 4 cosine 30 x hat plus 4 sine 30 y hat, and that ends up giving you negative 1.66 x hat plus 5.12 y hat. And then to find the acceleration of B with respect to A is AB minus the acceleration of B minus the acceleration of A, which gives you negative 1.66 x plus 5.12 y, x hat and y hat, minus 1.5 x hat minus 2.6 y hat. And you can just combine the like terms, and then you end up getting that negative 1.6 x hat plus 7.72 y hat, and A, and the acceleration of B with respect to A, it comes out to being negative 1.6 meters per second squared x hat plus 7.72 meters per second squared y hat.